Here.
Hi, how are you?
Good, ma'am. Do you have your driver's license on you?
I do. I'm looking for it actually right now. Oh, there it is.
Are you from New Mexico?
Yes, I'm from
New
Mexico.
I don't know much. Sorry, one of the reasons I stopped you is your third brake light is out.
Is it?
Also, the license plate returns to a different car.
Yes, it does. So I have insurance on this car.
Okay.
If you want to see it, can I show you?
Well, how come this?
So I need to transfer the registration on this car. So the license plate needs to get transferred now on this car. I just put insurance on this car.
Okay.
Because I just bought the car not too long ago. So.
Okay. Did you So you bought it in New Mexico?
Yes.
Do you live here now, though?
Yes. I come and visit a lot out here. So
okay,
I have
family
that stays here in San Marcos and stuff.
Where's your family live?
Well, they live right there in the Hidden Valleys, right there by Richland.
Okay.
All
right. Do you have any ID on you, sir?
I just changed clothes, bro. I think it's in my other car. We're just running to get some pizza for our clothes.
Okay, let me show you my.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
So far.
There's the insurance on this car for the Sonata.
Give me 1 second. My dispatcher's talking to somebody else.
Okay. Take your time.
Paul, can I give you a VIN number? 5 Nora, Paul Edward Boy, 4 Adam Charles X-Ray, David Henry, 509103. Tried out of New Mexico first.
Thank you, sir. Go ahead.
Hey, from. Window for me?
Possible side window doesn't go down.
Oh, he can just open the door there. Can you just open the door for me, man? Oh, so it does go down?
Yes, this one. Oh, I thought you said the back window.
No, I said the passenger side. Can you spell your last name for me, sir?
Chapman, C-H-A-T-T-O-N.
Can you speak up for me? It's loud out here.
C-H-A-T-T-O-N.
T-T-O-N?
Yes, sir.
First name?
Massa, M-A-S-S-A-H.
M-A-S?
M-A-S-S-A-H.
And your birthday?
11/4/84.
Okay. Hey, stop reaching around, dude.
I'm not doing nothing, bro.
Stop reaching around.
God damn.
Leave the window down.
Just talking.
Open the door. He's reaching.
He's reaching.
Let me see your fucking hand. Let me see your fucking hand. Can you break that window?
Unlock the door. Stop reaching. Unlock
Call
the
1
door.
at gunpoint.
Hey,
Stop
hey,
fucking
hey,
reaching! Stop fucking reaching!
Stop
Get your
reaching!
fucking hand out!
Stop reaching!
Get your fucking hand out!
Stop
Show me your hand!
Stop reaching! Show me your right hand! Show me your right hand! What? He's got a gun. He's
Gun?
got a gun.
Take your hand off the fucking gun! Take your hand off the fucking
Drop
gun!
that gun. Get your hand up. Hey, drop that gun. I will shoot you in your head.
Stop! Don't do nothing stupid.
I
Oh,
will
and he's got a
shoot
gun.
you in your head.
Hey, stop!
Take your hand off the fucking gun!
Stop! Okay. I didn't do nothing. Why are you pulling me over?
Hey,
not
Cronto,
pull that gun.
get out of the crossfire.
Stop! Okay, no, Jay! Jay, stop!
Do not move that gun.
Okay, I'm
Does he have a gun? Just let me know. I don't want to shoot him. Does he have a gun? Do not move your hand.
Drop your phone. Get your hand on your back.
I see the magazine. It's a tan gun.
Okay. Hey, I got this. Can you break this window?
Me?
Yeah.
I got a good angle right here. I'm not doing it.
You got a hole punch?
Can you break that window, Pronto?
Huh?
This window.
Do not fucking move that gun! I will fucking shoot you! Drop your gun! Drop your gun! Drop your gun! Now! Drop it right now! Drop your gun right now! He's pulling it out. I'm gonna fucking shoot you!
So I can't see. Hurry up.
He's pulling it out. Okay, drop it. I can't. Don't fucking move. Don't. Drop it. Do it. Drop it. Don't do it, man.
Stop.
Don't do it.
Stop. Please stop.
Don't do it. I'm gonna tase you. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Give me
Show me your hand.
Give me your right hand. Give me
Get your hand up.
No.
Show me your right hand.
Stop.
Come
Stop.
out. What, he's got a gun. Drop that gun right now. He's pulling. Okay, I can't see. Don't, he's reaching again. He's got the gun. Don't. Drop it. Drop it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm going to tase you.
Take your hand off that fucking gun now!
I can't see. Hurry up, Pronto. I can't see. Hurry up.
He's pulling it out. Okay, I can't see. He's reaching again. He's got the gun. Don't. Hey, tase him. Drop it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Tase him. Don't do it. I'm going to tase you.